Hi, so I'm Emily, and I'm doing this is my screencast for my passion time, and my passion time project is what are the top five most endangered grade apes, and how can we help? So this is a about me page. I'm not really going to read this because this wasn't very important. Just but right here, this the picture up here. I actually made this on a logo, like on a where I can like make logos. So that's I put it there, and this is what my website's about. It's about the top five most endangered great apes. Mostly that's about it, and but there's this one page where like you can donate money to help save them. So the top five so this is a website I got most of my things from, um, and I'll read you this. The top five most endangered great apes are as followed. And keep in mind, these aren't in like order from like the like I didn't put it in order from as much, like there's 3,000 here, but there's like 720 here. I didn't put the 720 up here and put like that at the bottom. So the eastern gorilla, this gorilla's population is less than 3,000 still living today. It lives in the Democratic Republic of Congo. It is the largest of gorilla subspecies. It has longer arms than the mountain gorilla and shorter hair and teeth. Mountain gorilla. There is less than 720 living today. It is critically endangered. It lives in the forests and mountains. It has a large skull, wide face, and angular nostrils, a larger body and longer hair than the eastern lowland gorilla. The western gorilla. This gorilla's population is approximately 100,000 still living today, but that is still pretty endangered. But it is still critically endangered. It lives in the Democratic Republic of Congo. The male's silverback coloring extends onto its thighs. It also has redder hair on their heads. Cross River gorilla. This gorilla's population is approximately only 300 left. It is critically endangered. They live in the lowland sorry for my pronunciation, montane forests and rainforests of Cameroon and Niagara. It has a smaller skull and teeth than other gorillas, as well as shorter hands and feet. And the Sumatran orangutan. It lives in Indonesia, but it is highly endangered. There are only about 6,600 left. Most of them live in forests or protected parks and reserves. So that's what it is about. Great apes. I love this baby picture of an ape. It's so cute, and then it just says baby apes are so cute. I love them. They're so nice, and they don't really care what you think. They just do whatever they want. They're so friendly and gentle. The eastern gorilla. These are some pictures of it. I really like this picture, the first picture, because he just looks, I think it's a male, and it just looks really brave and strong. And here's another picture. The eastern gorilla is the largest primate in the world. They are extremely large animals that can weigh hundreds of pounds and can be taller than an adult man. The arms are longer than the legs to help them swing, and due to them walking on their knuckles, eastern gorillas have longer hair and broader jaws, smaller nose, larger teeth, and shorter arms than the western gorillas. They have black fur covering much of their arms, head, and back. The black skin of eastern gorillas is exposed on their face, hands, chest, and feet. Adult males have a silver saddle-shaped patch of fur on their back. Their diet and how aggressive they are. What is the eastern gorilla's diet? It is majority of its diet. It is made up of eating fruit, which the eastern gorilla is known to travel vast distances through the forest to find. The eastern gorilla also eats leaves, nuts, berries, along with insects and occasionally small animals such as lizards or rodents. They aren't very aggressive, but they do protect um, their babies and their wife. The mountain gorilla. Currently, the mountain gorilla's habitat is limited to protected national parks in 2 regions of Africa. One group of gorilla lives in the Bwindi Imperturbable National Park in Uganda. The other group is spread over 3 national parks in the Virungas mountain region of the Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, and Rwanda. Mountain gorillas are as shy as they are strong, but when threatened, they can be aggressive. They beat their chests and let out angry grunts and roars. Group leaders will charge at threat. Mothers will fight to protect their young ones from the predators. Mountain gorillas live in groups of up to 30. The group or troop is led by a single alpha male or an older silverback. What the mountain gorilla eats. They mainly have a vegetarian diet, feeding on stems, bamboo, shoots, and fruits. They eat whatever they can find, or bugs and larger creatures to plants. They also eat bamboo, and leaves are readily available. Gorillas also like to eat herbs, and herbs typically grow in low areas around the mountain. Occasionally, depending on the location, gorillas will climb trees to grab fruit for a meal. The western gorilla. I love the colors, especially this one. I love how it's like a mixture of gray, brown, and kind of a little black. I just love their colors. The gorilla is heavily built primate and it is the largest of the living apes. Until recently, it was considered a single species. Gorillas have a characteristic body shape with broad chest, heavy neck, and strong hands and feet. They have a fine brownish coat, often with a red auburn tinge around the crown. See, there's a little spot like of brownish orangish. Immature males are known as silverbacks due to the silvery white saddle of hair extending from the back to the rump of thighs. These gorillas are usually black too, but they can be dark brown or even grayish in color. One characteristic that is different from the eastern gorilla is that there is an overhang at the tip of the nose. What the western gorilla eats. They stick to mainly a vegetarian diet, feeding on stems, bamboo, shoots, and fruits. Western lowland gorillas, however, also have an appetite for termites and ants, and break open termite nests to eat the larvae. They eat roots, shoots, fruit, wild celery, and tree bark and pulp. I have one more, the Sumatran orangutan. I think they're pretty cute. The credit to this picture is here. This ape is a Sumatran orangutan. This great ape has been reduced to 6,600 animals living in the forests of Indonesia. The Sumatran orangutan is one of the 2 species of orangutans found only in the island of Sumatra in Indonesia. It is more rare than the Borneo orangutan. It is about 3 feet about 99 pounds. Is an adult female. I couldn't find the adult male how much they weigh, but for ape, I don't really think that is a lot to weigh. They eat about 60% of the orangutan's diet is made up of fruits. Other things they eat, including young leaves, liana, and palm stems, insects, and occasionally tree bark. In Sumatra, especially, they eat large numbers of ants and termites each day. I don't think Oh, yeah, that's not a page. Sorry. Here's a page where you can help protect these and maybe adopt one. So you can help by adopting a gorilla that is endangered or becoming endangered or highly endangered. You can donate at this site. So here's a site where you can like donate. Um, you can help at this site, that site, or like fundraise for them. Um, I have a grade 8 pick page. I think they're really, really cute. I just wanted this picture for the front because it's like, it says like grade apes. Here's a grade ape. Here's a baby, older one, another baby. I think this was a really cute picture. Oh, I love this picture right here. He's so cute. This picture, like they're kind of playing with each other. I really like this picture also. And that's it. Keep in mind you can comment at the bottom of each page. I have a survey. So did you learn something from my site? Yes, a little. No, it was boring. I learned a lot. It was cool learning more about other. And then if you have other, you can type in something. I learned a lot when I researched and stuff. No. Do you love gorillas? There's yes, possibly, kind of, I don't know. Yes, 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 I love them. They are my fave, and never. I'm gonna do yes, yes, yes. Are you interested in helping them? Of course. I have to talk to parents. No. Angie, yes, and I'll do of course. Submit, and that says thank you for thank you. Your information has been submitted. So, you can just do that, and then I'll get your results. So, also, here's my KWH-LAQ and my reflection. There's a bunch of different meanings for KWH-LAQ. The K is what I know. W is what I want to know. H is will I find out. L is what did I learn. A is how will I take action, meaning like how will I tell people about it. Q is what new questions do I have. So here's a picture of my Trello card and a picture just of my website. And then here's my reflection. I'm not going to read that all or this, but I hope you really learned a lot. So thank you so much, and I hope you did learn things and you got something out of this. Thanks. Bye.